Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our 7th episode of Horder. Um, we're going to do things a little bit differently in this one. I am going to try to fit the build phase and the fight phase into one video that's not too crazy long. And then, just let all the viewers skip around to whatever part they want to see. So, first things first, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help me grow a little bit. Having a ton of fun with these ones. Leave me a comment, let me know what you like, don't like, etc., etc. Okay, premise for this base, I'm calling it the Revolver base. You can think about it as either the revolver, the gun, or like a revolving door or whatever, right? So I want to have 4 paths that are dictated by powered hatches. So the pathing should only be available to the zombies when the hatches are closed. The purpose for this is that I want to be able to control what lanes the zombies can actually rush at me. And if anything goes wrong, then I can just turn a lane off, make any necessary repairs, and take care of myself if I need to. So, without further ado, let's get right into the build on this one. Hope everybody enjoys. No. No! No! No, stop! Fuck! Well, there you have it, everybody. The Revolver base. Pretty excited about this one. It's got 4 lanes leading to the area that I'm going to be standing in. And each of them, I should say, are only going to be available when these hatches are closed. And these are powered hatches, which means I get to open and close them and choose which way the zombies come at me. This should be excellent if a lane becomes compromised, they start damaging blocks too much, or I just need a breather, I need to reload a gun, repair stuff, whatever it is. I can just tell them to go to another lane. So fingers crossed that that works the way that I think it will. Potential downfalls for this base that I can see. Biggest one is that it collapsed on me while I was building it. That's a big problem. Hopefully I've reinforced this base down here enough that they can take out a block or two if they're just taking swipes at it when they run by and I don't fall to my death. The other thing that I can see going wrong is if anybody gets the bright idea to start spitting at my electric traps and whatnot. It's not going to take many hits for these things to fall apart and not function anymore. But fingers crossed that if they do break, I can just shut that lane off and not tell the zombies to use it for the remainder of the Horde night, and it won't be too big of a deal. Also, if a demo ends up exploding in any one of these pathways and ruining it to the point that the zombies can't use it anymore, not a huge deal, because we'll still have at least a couple more for them to follow. Anyway, that's enough out of me. I am going to go ahead and set us forward to the day 7 Horde. We are going to make sure that the zombies are at least I'm able to control their pathing. And let's see, 2193. Perfect. Right before the day 7 Horde night, I'm going to make sure I can control the zombies' pathing. Oops. I need to turn my generator on here. There is the bell. When these hatches are powered, they are open. So at the moment, they should only be able to path on this lane here. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that is the case. That is interesting. They're electing to go through a path that they cannot use to reach me. And I don't fully understand it. But they can't get to me, so it's not a big deal. It looked like a couple of them took some swipes at the blocks underneath that we're going to be standing on top of. So this is interesting because I thought all of the zombies would path to the area that the hatches are closed. And that seems like it's not the case. Oh, they're stacking up here now. That's great news. Okay, so we are going to hit P. We're going to turn this lane off, which drops all of them, and turn this lane on. And see what they do. They fall. They were stacked up on each other a little bit. No big deal there. They're still taking that path. But they are falling immediately. Okay, now they figured it out. He spit on me. That wasn't very nice. Okay. So it takes him quite a while to figure out how to get to me. We can turn this lane off, which drops all of them. Turn this lane on. And they rotate. Look at you guys, so smart. Figuring out the puzzle. Alright. Not so bad. I think that's all I need to see. Also, it's incredibly loud. Okay, thank you, everybody. That was very enjoyable. It's interesting it took them so long to figure it out. But that's okay. Because it didn't seem like they were falling down and then just hammering on the foundation here. So, very good news. Alright, let's take a minute. We're going to go around, repair the fence posts, make sure our concrete's all topped up, and I'll bring you back right before the day 70 insane zombie horde. Welcome back, everybody. We are on day 70. We are getting ready to face this insane zombie horde. We're gonna crack open a few boxes of shotgun ammo. Let's do 3. Okay, and a few boxes of magnum ammo as well. We are, of course, rolling pistols and shotguns on this one. We will be doing standard 44 magnum in the Desert Vulture, which is totally not a Desert Eagle. And AP rounds go in the Revolver. We will be saving those specially for the Demolishers. And this is kind of a short run-up, so the demos make me a little bit nervous. I'm not going to have a ton of time to react or hang on and line up a shot. And it's also a pretty small area, so a lot of zombies are probably going to be in my way. So those definitely pose my biggest threat, as they almost always do. And let's see. Okay, so lanes that are switched on are open and should be unavailable for zombie pathing. So this is the lane that we're going to be starting off to the west, and I will be rotating in a clockwise fashion. So, wish me luck. Alright, the dinner bell has rung. Them zombies, they're coming. It's barbecue time, and I am the main course. That's right. Oh, popping heads. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay, I can hear them trying to get across other lanes that are not the one that I'm looking down currently. That's okay. They shouldn't be able to linger in those lanes and get a good shot at any of those blocks. They should be just falling down underneath and hopefully not hitting anything. But we'll have to wait and find out after the fact. They're so far not even getting to my final electric wire trap, which is great news. This guy did, finally, as I put him down. I mean, to be honest, pistols, I don't think are the most effective for this. The Deagle seems to be doing a pretty good job so far. But I think it's time for some shotgun, boy. Oh, clearing them out. And you know what, you guys? Nah, you can't come this way anymore. You can come this way. I'll see you in a minute. I like this. Look, they're still trying. I mean, I'll take free shots at you. I'll take free shots at you all day. You guys can't even get to me this way. Come around over here, please. Come on. Okay. Fine. You can come this way. I'll allow— oh no, I think we took damage. Unfortunate there. I don't know if it was vultures or if that cop spit on me. That's too bad. That's okay though, we're not taking much damage, so hopefully we get through the night without having to use any healing items. This base can still rack up those bonus points. A lot of zombies so far, in this lane especially. Let's see if we can convince them to go to a different one. We dropped them all right there. Come on, fellas, come over here. Come over here. I'm over here now. There it is. Lots of people here now. That's good for me. Not good for them. They're facing the auto shotgun. And the auto shotgun is facing them. It's definitely coming out on top here. I don't love using this gun. I know I'm shooting the blocks behind them right now. It does make me a little bit sad. Put a lot of these guys down and flip the switch. See ya. Better luck next time, folks. We'll go back to the Deagle for a little bit while they're rotating. Wait for a bit more of them to stack up and go back to the shotgun. Let's get this cop out real quick with the revolver first. Not the revolver, the magnum. It's still not the magnum. Rush, get it together. Put words in your mouth. That doesn't make any sense either. You know what I mean. They're trying to go through the sidewalls here. The cops are getting some good shots on me. I don't have great line of sight to hit them first. And you know what? You guys, done with that lane. You can come over here. Actually, let's take a quick peek around. They've barely even touched any of these blocks here. I'm still sitting pretty. I do not know what they're doing underneath me currently. Hopefully, it's nothing too nefarious. Hey, we're coming over here now. Guys. Over. They really don't like this lane. Okay. We're gonna try this one instead. It looked like Big Mama was turning around, trying to go around a different direction. That's good for me. A cop just blew up over there. That's not good for me. It does look like they're trying to go through the sidewalls. I'm trying to stand as far over into this lane as humanly possible, just to convince them that this is the correct path. Keep popping heads. Just keep popping heads. Okay, it seems like they're coming over here now. Let's get this cop down quick. Back to the shotgun. Just line him up. Knock him down. Okay, we got our first demo. We're on the Magnum. I don't think he's dead. We're gonna convince him to go to a different lane. Hit a few of these guys a little bit first. Oh, we caught the demo right there with a errant shotgun blast. That's not good. I'm trying to convince them to come over to this lane. I think this base might not be quite big enough to make it guaranteed that they come to the lane you're trying to choose for them every single time. The demo is in this lane. That might have been the kill shot on him. I'm not sure. He definitely fell down regardless. Oh boy. Hi. You shouldn't be here. They have broken the switch on this lane. That's bad for me. That's a demo gone in a lane that I can no longer turn off. They broke the switch, so I cannot deactivate these hatches anymore. I'm gonna try to just defend this lane to the best of my ability at this point. I just got hit by something else. I'm not sure what it was. I hit his bomb too. Really not good. A spider monkey is what hit me. This is really bad now. Have those hatches broken? They haven't. Okay. That's a problem. It must have been some cop spit that got through and broke the switch there. They are electing to go through the concrete to where my electric fences are. Instead of coming and hitting the steel blocks, I'm going to allow them up this path because I want them to stop doing that as much as possible. And just try to shred them as fast as I can. Spider monkeys are getting in behind there though. That is really bad news for me. Okay, have to try to drop this lane and start a different one. This guy has been doing a lot of work on that one block right there. This is not going very well for me. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. I still have to live a long time before the morning bell comes and saves me. And I need you to stop reaching through solid steel doors and hitting me. I don't like being tickled, and I especially don't like you doing the tickling. Trying to take care of this demo, I instead hit his button. I believe he fell down below me. That is really not good. Everything is going poorly. Oh, it doesn't look good for Rosh, folks. It really doesn't look good for Rosh on this one. I know I'm dealing a lot of damage to my door doing that. You all need to go away. We're gonna try to let them come up a different side for a little while. Cycle them around again. Pop his head. There's a lot of monkeys back there. Not good for me. They are through, I think. I can hear them hitting on the door on my right. They're still coming up this pathway. I do not know why. There's dogs in here too. They must have got through the one wide block there. I can't shoot them through the door either. I got spit on again. Oh, they're all through. That might be the end of me. That very well could be the end. I'm not sure where they're gonna try to come from now. There's a lot of them stacking up back there, I think. I'm gonna try to just let them come right up here instead of hitting my door. They're not listening though. The door on my left has been beaten on for quite a while now. Okay, 1:30 in the morning. Can I hold out? I do not know. It's really not going well here. That door was almost broken. We caught it in time. Ugh, this is so stressful. This is not how I wanted this to go. We have yet another demo. He did get around behind me. Oh, that's it. That's not good. Things are really going bad now. Oh, I think it's over. I think it's over, folks. I can repair this door as much as I want, and I am not going to keep up with the relentless onslaught on the other side. I can do all of the convincing in the world, and it's just not gonna hold up. They won't listen to me. It's really sad. It's really sad the revolver base isn't gonna do it. They're in. Go out in a blaze of glory. Hit his button. Come on. Take him with me. I didn't take him with me. And that is all she wrote. The bitter demise. The revolver base didn't hold up. They elected to go through a concrete block and then the steel reinforced door. Let's see if we can get back there and see everything that happened. They are just all kinds of stacked up in a place that I didn't want them to be. It was quicker to go around. How did they make that? So they had to beat through this wall, 2 blocks, and then 2 panels of concrete to get over. I mean, I know they broke this towards the end, right? I know the demo went that way. But this was the initial break, right here. So they went through 2 blocks of concrete, 2 plates of concrete, so that they could come over and beat on a steel door, instead of just walking up and beating on 2 steel blocks. Well, a steel block and a steel plate. That is a shame. You obviously could have corrected that by putting a steel liner. It would have cost more iron, but hey, maybe you would have lived, you know? Almost did it. I think we made it to, what, about 2 o'clock in the morning? We probably only had 1 or 2 more demos to get through, and then it was just shotguns for everybody else. Well, anyway, we gave it our best shot. Hold on, I need to... Well, anyway, we gave it our best shot. In theory, the base worked pretty well. It took them a long time to realize when I changed the path on them that there was a better way to go. That might have been better if you made the base a little bit bigger, or if the gap was a little bit longer, maybe. It also seemed like they could stand on part of the steel hatches, so maybe there's another way you could do this one, but for this build, it is all over. Dunzo. DNF for the Revolver base. It's really a shame. I liked the premise behind this one. I think there's still some potential here, but definitely some improvements made. Maybe if that hallway was just 1 block longer, they wouldn't have made that diagonal cut to hit the sidewalls. But anyway, let's get to the points on this one. We will keep track of them, even though the base did not finish. We did end up using a total of 31-ish thousand iron for minus 25 points. We ended up using 13 stacks of concrete, minus 65 points. And then I think because of all the steel bars that we used, trying to repair those doors just for no reason, because there was no way I was getting out of it. We used another stack of iron in repairs for minus 5 points. So that puts the Revolver at 5 points in total. But again, it is a DNF, so it will fall to the bottom of the leaderboard. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Hope everybody out there is staying healthy and staying safe. Take care of yourselves. Have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.